Hi, hello. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to find the integral of a polynomial. And I'm going to be teaching you two different types of integrals. Um, so an integral is um, it's basically the opposite of a derivative. So instead of going down in power, we're going up in power. So let's take a really simple example. So we're going to have x cubed. 4 times x cubed. So we're going to find the integral of that. So this is like the basic, like how to find the integral of a term. Okay, so in order to find an integral, we're gonna follow this formula, x being the variable, and n being the degree of exponent for that variable. So in this example, we have x cubed, so x represents x, and n is representative of that cube right there. So we're gonna follow the formula, so x n plus 1, so 4, and then we're gonna divide that by n, which is 3, plus 1, so 4, and then we're gonna multiply this whole thing by the coefficient, and the coefficient isn't affected by the integral, so you're gonna have 4 times x to the 4th over 4, which is just equal to x to the 4th. Okay, so that's how you take an integral of a term. So now to move on to something slightly more complicated, we're going to be taking the indefinite integral of a polynomial. So let's take this. Let's take this polynomial here. So x squared plus 2x plus 3, and then in order to take the integral, this is an indefinite integral because there are no limits. In order to take an integral, you gotta integrate each term. So each term, doing the same method we did before. So that really quickly would be x cubed over 3 plus x squared plus x. Now, if you have questions about this one, how did this get to that? This is 2 times x squared over 2. These cancel out. So you just end up with x squared. And if there's a dx at the end, that's just plus c. But I find in most cases you don't really have to worry about that because we're just doing indefinite integral. Okay, so that's the indefinite integral. Next, we're going to do a definite integral. A definite integral is pretty much the same thing, but this time we're adding limits to the integral. So we're going to have 3, upper limit of 3, so and the upper limit and a lower limit of 2. So this is basically b a. So we're just putting 3 for b, our upper limit, 2 for a, our lower limit. I'm going to make that same polynomial. And our solution is going to be, and we're going to integrate this whole thing first. So it's going to be x cubed plus x squared plus 3x. Now we're gonna find the definite integral here. So how that's done is find the integral of the function of inputting our upper limit would be subtract the integral of the function a from it. What that means is we're just going to put in 3 for x, which is going to equal, what is that, 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 27. So you found the solution to the upper limit. Now you put in 2 for x. We're going to end up with 8 over 3 plus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 12 and 2/3. So now we just do 27 minus 12 and 2/3, which is equivalent to 14 and 1/3. So that's how you find definite integral. And yeah.